Imagine waking up every day feeling stuck in life, like you're running on a treadmill that's going nowhere. Now imagine discovering one simple habit that could completely transform your future, but most people ignore it because they don't believe it's powerful enough. Today, I'm going to share this secret with you through an inspiring story from Pakistan, a tale of struggle, resilience, and ultimate success. Our story begins here, in the heart of Lahore, where dreams are as crowded as its streets. Meet Ali, a hard-working shopkeeper who inherited his father's small general store. Despite working long hours, Ali barely made ends meet. He was frustrated, tired, and losing hope. Every night he would lie awake wondering why nothing ever seemed to work out for him. One evening, as Ali sat outside his shop watching the sunset over Badshahi Mosque, something unexpected happened. A friendly voice interrupted Ali's thoughts. It belonged to Uncle Rashid, a retired teacher known for his wisdom. Seeing Ali's gloomy expression, Uncle Rashid asked what troubled him. After hearing Ali's struggles, he shared a piece of advice that would change Ali's life forever. Uncle Rashid said, "Ali, there is one habit that can turn your life around, but only if you commit to it daily. That habit is writing down your goals. Write them clearly, review them often, and take small steps toward achieving them every single day." At first, Ali doubted whether writing things down would really make a difference, but desperate for change, he decided to give it a try. Each night, after closing the shop, he wrote down specific goals and actionable steps to achieve them. Slowly but surely, Ali noticed improvements. Customers appreciated the cleaner shop and wider selection. Sales began to rise, and so did Ali's confidence. Within a year, Ali transformed his struggling store into a thriving business. More importantly, he discovered the power of clarity and consistency. By writing down his goals, he gave himself direction and the motivation to keep pushing forward, even when times got tough. So what's the lesson here? Writing down your goals isn't just about putting words on paper, it's about committing to your vision and taking consistent action. This one habit forces you to think clearly, stay focused, and measure progress along the way. If you want to change your life forever, start with this one habit. Trust me, it works. And remember, greatness doesn't come overnight. It comes step by step, goal by goal.